Arrive in style with this Ram 2019 1500 Bighorn Lone Star. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include radio, Uconnect 4 with 8.4 display, engine, 5.7L V8 Hemi MDS VVT included, Hemi badge dual rear exhaust with bright tips 180 amp alternator 18-inch aluminum spare wheel heavy-duty engine cooling active noise control system, quick order package 25Z Bighorn Lone Star included, engine 5.7L V8 Hemi MDS VVT transmission, 8-speed automatic, 8 horsepower 75, steering wheel mounted audio controls, Bighorn Level 1 equipment group included, foam bottle insert, door trim panel, cluster 3.5 inches TFT color display rear window defroster power 8-way driver seat rear power sliding window sun visors with illuminated vanity mirrors glove box lamp radio, Uconnect